All right, I've been pulling the pistons out just to get this block ready to sell or scrap, or, I mean, it's still good. It's only 30 over. Definitely needs to be at least honed, probably bored. But look at some of these cylinders. You know, there's a little bit of scoring, but you can see a lot of crosshatch. But let's talk about this piston on cylinder 8 here. It's got some serious scoring. Wow. That's been rode hard, put away wet. That thing is not happy. That cylinder was a little floppy. I mean, they all were. So that's why I'm saying should probably go to 40 if someone's going to use this block, rather.
Slight faux pas. If someone's going to use this box,
you could use that camshaft hole.
It'll be about right.
Jesus.
Oh,
So,
wait,
yeah.
let me use the hammer.
Look at
This.
this.
Oh my
Look at
God.
the scoring on that. Yeah. So, anyway, all right, I'm gonna just finish knocking these out real quick. Scotty, what are you doing?
Gonna knock them out.
Yeah, but I've been using the stick end. It's easier, just go bam, bam, bam with the handle, like on the piston itself. You put it down in the hole. And that way it keeps you from dropping it. But you gotta hold the rod. You gotta hold the rod, Scott.
I'm holding Joey's rod.
I'll catch the load. You're like, Jesus Christ. Here. All right, bang it, Scott. Hold it up so it doesn't get caught. Ta-da. That one's not so bad. Anywho, are we beating off Joey's rods?
We're beating off Joey's box. Block. That's it. Block.
Okay,
Yeah,
last
that's what I
one.
said. Ooh, and it's loose again.
It's normal.
For a box to be loose, well, in general, depends on who you're with.
Don't talk about my ex like that. I actually talk about my ex like that because it's true. Bitch a hoe. Anyway. Yeah. So, all right. Here, put that on the floor. So that's pretty much stripped down. I'll pull Joey's mounts off of it. And,
No way.
What? That's totally fine because you heat up the end of the rod and slide the pin in.
Right, I understand that, but they're not supposed to move like that. Not that I ever remember.
Yeah, they might have a little bit of clearance, but they're not.
Clearance.
Clearance? What's your vector, Victor?
Shirley, you must be kidding. No, I'm not.
kidding.
Please don't call me Shirley.
Excuse me, I speak jive.
Yo, man, what it is?
Okay, anyway, finishing ripping this down. Waiting for Joey to get back to me about the heads. I am going to pull the pan on this one. Got to get the mounts off of both. Pull the pan and the manifold on this one and the water pump. And then we wait for further direction from what Joey wants to do.
Yep.
But for right now, we're going to have a block, a crank, rods, pistons, one set of heads. I don't know which one yet. One intake manifold, obviously that one. An oil pan, probably that one. Basically a whole disassembled long block, yep, minus the cam and the timing set for faux sale.
Faux sale, faux show.